Hello everyone, welcome to Hennahub India Manufacturing Unit, where we will understand how the processing for the henna powder is done through various stages. So here we enter the Henna Leaves Storage Area, where we store our raw materials brought from Mandi market through various commission agents and farmers in Big Jute Bags, Bora. In front of us is a conveyor belt, where we will pour the henna leaves. This is the stage where the impurities in the form of stem, seeds, sand, sticks, husk etc. would be separated in the shifter machine. This is the stage where the impurities in the form of stem, seeds, sand, sticks, husk etc. would be separated in the shifter machine. After passing through shifter machine, the henna leaves would be separated and would be stored in the next machine, the Binover Machine. This machine takes only henna leaves in the Binover Box, leaving all the impurities aside from Binover Box. A laborer would take the leaves out and collect it as a heap for the next step of crushing in Thresher Machine. From the conveyor belt which is connected to the thresher, henna leaves would be sent in the machine. Henna leaves would be sent in the machine. It will give us crushed leaves, which could also be called as tea-cut leaves. These tea-cut leaves are easy to store and provide us good validity of the material to be used. So till now, we understood the procedure to clean and purify henna leaves, and also store them as tea-cut leaves in the jute bags with an average weight of 40 kg of each jute bag or bori. Now we are going to store area where we store crushed henna leaves in 40 kg jute bag. All bags are stored according to Lawson content. You can see grade marking on plate. These crushed leaves are ready for next process, which is henna powder making process.